Hi, welcome back to the channel. A little something different today. No takes, no nothing like that. But I'm going to show something off. Now, I don't buy a lot of pipes. Last year, I was thinking about it. I think I only bought 2 pipes. I bought a Boswell's, and I bought, this is brand new, and I bought an Ohio Briar. Well, Dan Rees, who is the craftsman at Ohio Briar, he sent me a really nice message after he saw my pipe rack video that I made out of the pallet boards. And he said, hey, man, it looks pretty cool. And I was like, oh, well, thanks a lot. And I said, you know, if you happen to be making a poker this year, I really want to get a poker. And he said, well, next thing you know, he sends me a picture and said, you inspired me. And he sends me a picture. And I said, well, look at that. So I got it. Now, this is my new Ohio Briar. Get in there on that guy. Poker. Look at that. It's a big one. It's stout. Nice flat bottom on it. Look at the thick walls. Ooh, making you dizzy. Just look how that guy sits in the hand. Look at that. When you're holding this, you're holding, you know you're holding something. It's nice. You got a flat surface. It'll sit nice and flat. I think it's awesome. He sent me a picture of it when he first made it, and he said, hey, what do you think? And I was like, man, I want it. Yeah. And he said, well, we can talk about some different stain colors and, you know, the reds, the mahoganies. And he sent me the original picture in a small video, and this was the color. He just really formed it and everything. And I said, I really like that. And then I was going to change it. And he said, hey, I think you should stick with that. So I did. So it is just oiled and waxed. I don't really have any natural pipes. I mean, I do have a bones pipe. Call that natural. But I really didn't want to change anything about it. It's, oh, I don't know. I just really dig it. Got some beautiful grain to it. And when you do order an Ohio Briar pipe, he gives you a nice box. He always puts a nice little card in there. He names his pipes. He named this one Noah's House because it was kind of made for me. And get a nice, beautiful pipe sock. It has the state of Ohio on there. I don't know if that's like a little screen print probably on there or something. That's very nice. Comes in a very nice box. Prices are awesome. Shipping is great. So I will leave all of Ohio Briar. Dan Rees is his name. I will leave all the information down below in the bucket. How you can, you know, poke him to get a poker. And he's always making lots of pipes. And like I said, I don't want to say this is a commission because we didn't like chat back and forth and send diagrams and stuff like that. But I was just curious talking to him. I was like, hey, I'm thinking this year I don't buy a lot of pipes, but I always wanted a nice poker. So this came about. I'm a little more on the tobacco collecting side. I have close to 20 pipes. I have some, maybe 5 or 6 that I barely smoke. But this year I'm thinking of possibly trading, selling, giving away. I'm not really sure yet. But 20 pipes I think is going to be good. It's the tobaccos that I like to chase down. So when I buy a pipe, it's pretty specific. It's something that I really like and or really want, or something that really jumps out at me. Excuse me. Oh, and I decided, how am I going to cook in that first bowl? Well, this is some of my favorite. This is a Boswell blend Railroad Station. Anybody who knows me knows I love Railroad Station. I was going to do it with Northwoods, but I wanted something a little smokier for that first smoke just to get in there. But this is just a quick video. I wanted to show this off. I want everybody to go check out Ohio Briar. Give them a look. Give them a poke. I will leave a link, mostly on Instagram. He does not have a YouTube channel at this time. I don't believe he does. We'll have to poke him to get one of those. Poke. Look how many times I can work poke into it. Well, hey, just a quick video. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this bowl. It's pretty cold outside. It's pretty windy outside. I'm going to listen to a podcast. I'm going to relax. And I just wanted to show off my new Ohio Briar Poker. Well, hey, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.